Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Fun Friday video and we are going to be doing a get ready with me with absolutely nothing new. I just really wanted to use some of my products that I've got that I haven't been able to use because there's been so many new things, and we will go back to new things soon. But I just wanted to do this one, this get ready with me. And I'm going to try and make it as fast as possible. Sorry about the length whenever it's a get ready with me, but that's just how long it takes me to get ready. I have already primed my skin with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Let's go in with our foundation. I'm going to use my Beauty Blender Bounce foundation and then put it on. I do still have my DIY lashes on, because I am pre-filming this so that maybe I can get a little bit ahead and actually start doing my diet videos. So far I haven't done any, but I'm going to. I'm going to take my Japanesque brush. This is the 708. And I really like this brush. I still really like this brush, but it's dirty, so we're going to use this one. Let's see if I still like this. Yep, I still like it. It's a little sheer, but I think it's buildable. So I'm going to spread this out really nicely and then probably build it up just a little bit. Alright, that looks good. Let's see if we can go in with just a little bit more to build it up where I need it, which is basically on my cheeks. Now I'm going to go in with a beauty blender, a sponge, and just add a little moisture to it and get it out of the lines. It doesn't seem like it's in the lines at all, but just in case. Alright, let's go in with our concealer. I am going to use my Jeffree Star concealer. I really want to try that new Benefit one, but I've been too lazy to go get it. And I'm sure I could order it online, but you know, you have to take a chance with the color, which I don't mind taking a chance with the color on concealer as much as I do with foundation. Sorry, I keep saying kind of an airhead today, huh? Alright, we use this concealer. Now I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury contour. Oh, I almost did it again. Let's see, maybe I'll use this little dual fiber brush. She said that... Oh, that's way too... That's not going to work. Maybe I'll use this guy. This stuff dries down really fast, so you don't really have time to mess around deciding what brush. I normally use a sponge, but I saw Jam Beauty 89 say use a brush. So I thought, okay, we'll try that. But I didn't have my brush ready. Looks pretty good. Now, I'm going to use my Bye Bye Pores by It Cosmetics. Make sure everything's out of the wrinkles. Get a pretty good amount on my sponge. and go to town with it. Because it's so good. Now I'm going to take my powder brush and spread that all around my whole face. Hide all my pores. Say bye-bye, pores. Okay, now we're going to go in with some from my Tarte Pro Glow palette. I'm going to contour with this right over where I just used that Charlotte Tilbury, just to redefine it. I always forget to do my lip. And I shouldn't, because I have really little lips. I need all the help I can get there. Okay, now we're going to go in with blush. And I am going to use this one. This is an old favorite of mine. And it is from BH Cosmetics. It is the Floral blush. It looks like a flower inside. And I'm going to use the peachy part of it. I remember loving this. Hopefully I still do. I can't even see it. Maybe it's this brush. That's good enough of that. Now I'm going back into the Pro Glow palette and I'm going to use the strobe right here as my highlight. This is definitely an old favorite. I used to use this pretty much exclusively. Yep, still love it. Now I'm just going to take this, get off any excess, and call it good. Blend it all together so that I look like that's my natural look. No makeup here. Okay, so to the eyes. For the eyes, I am going to be using the Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2 palette. And I'm going to start off with my Essence Eye Base first. And I'm going to put this on my lid. And then I'm going to use my sponge to spread it around. Okay, so that's done. Now, I'm going to go into the lightest color here called Humble and set that I just put on. And then I'm going to go into this Toast color right here. Put that on as my transition color. And then I have a lot of area to cover up here, so I like to bring it really, really high. Pretty much all the way up. Now I'm going to take this color right here called Bittersweet, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I think I'm going to go in with this one right next to it, which is henna, and put that in the outer V and probably a little in the crease too. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Yes, this is exactly what I was looking for. Minus the fallout. I think it's so pretty. Okay, let's do the underside. Let's go in with, it's a flat brush, and I'm going to go into the henna, the dark color, and put that on the bottom lash line. Then I'm going to take the pencil brush and I'm going to go into the Bittersweet, the one that's on my lid, and I'm going to put it on the inner half of that lash line. Actually, it's only about a third, the inner third of that lash line. And then I'm going to go in with this guy, and I'm going to go into that toast color, like that. Just to soften that line a little. Still get the smoky, but not as harsh. And now I'm going to go in with my Wonder Beauty liner, and I'm going to put in a line and a wing. This is the part that's hard to do with the lashes on. And I always try to go back in and do the top of the lash, just because it gets a lot of dust on it. And this just changes the dust to black. And that is how you do the line. And hopefully we're going to get the other one to match just right. All right, now I'm gonna go do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Eyebrows are done. I used my Cabral number 2 and my Gimme Brow number 3 on my brows. My lips, I used my Becca Chrissy Teigen, this little one. And this color, I'm not sure what it says. It says Sugar Plum. This color is Sugar Plum. And it was, I don't have any that are like copper color. I need to get me some, because everything I have has got a pink or a red tinge to it. And I did not have anything that was like super coppery, because I would have used it. I looked for it. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and make sure you share this on all your social media. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!